Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects every single one of us: aging. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful tools to slow down the clock is already sitting in your kitchen? It's not some expensive, exotic superfood, it's protein. Now, there's a huge misconception floating around that as we get older, we should ease up on our protein intake. Maybe you've heard it too, that it's something only for bodybuilders or young athletes. I'm here to tell you that the opposite is true. The older you get, the more crucial protein becomes. In fact, skimping on it can actually speed up the aging process. Think of your body like a house. Over the years, it experiences wear and tear. Little cracks appear, things get a bit weaker. Protein is your body's essential repair crew. It's made up of amino acids, which are the literal building blocks for almost everything in your body, from your skin and hair to your internal organs and immune cells. They all rely on a steady supply of protein to repair, damage, and regenerate. When you don't get enough, that repair crew can't do its job. Cells don't get fixed as efficiently, leading to faster visible signs of aging, like wrinkles and sagging skin. But the effects go much deeper than what you see in the mirror. One of the most significant changes we face as we age is something called sarcopenia. It sounds complicated, but it's simply the age-related loss of muscle mass, strength, and function. It starts subtly, maybe in your 30s. But it can accelerate dramatically later in life. Why does this matter? Well, muscle isn't just for lifting heavy things. It's your metabolic engine. It helps regulate your blood sugar, supports your joints, and gives you the strength and stability to live an active, independent life. Losing muscle means you're more prone to falls, fractures, and a general feeling of frailty. It's one of the key factors that can steal your vitality as you age. And this is where protein shines. It is the single most important nutrient for building and maintaining muscle tissue. Without enough protein, your body can't fight back against sarcopenia. It's like trying to build a brick wall without any bricks. But don't just take my word for it. The science is incredibly clear on this. A landmark study from Harvard in 2022 looked at this exact issue. Researchers found that adults who consumed around 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight had a significantly slower rate of muscle decline compared to those who ate less. To put that in perspective, for a 150-pound person, that's about 82 grams of protein per day. That's a powerful testament to how vital this nutrient is for maintaining your strength and youthfulness. Leading longevity research backs this up. Scientists in this field have discovered that specific amino acids, the components of protein, act as signaling molecules. They literally trigger the pathways in your body responsible for growth and repair, like the MTO pathway. When these pathways are activated concertos, your body goes into build and repair mode, which is exactly what you want to counteract the degenerative effects of aging. Beyond muscle, let's talk about area where protein is a hero: blood sugar control. As we age, our bodies can become less sensitive to insulin, a condition known as insulin resistance. This is a major gateway to chronic health problems. Refined carbs and sugary foods cause your blood sugar to spike and then crash, putting a huge strain on your system. Protein, on the other hand, has a stabilizing effect. When you include protein in your meals, it slows down the absorption of carbohydrates. This prevents those dramatic blood sugar spikes and keeps your energy levels stable. Maintaining good insulin sensitivity is a cornerstone of healthy aging, and a protein-rich diet is one of your best strategies for achieving it. And we can't forget the immune system. Your immune cells, the antibodies that fight off infections, are literally made of protein. If your intake is low, your body can't produce enough of these soldiers to defend you. This is why you might notice that you get sick more often or take longer to recover as you get older. A weak immune system is a hallmark of accelerated aging, and a sufficient protein supply is your first line of defense. So, you might be thinking, okay, I'm convinced. But how do I actually do this? How much is enough, and where do I get it? It's simpler than you think. The goal isn't to start chugging massive protein shakes, unless that's your thing. It's about being mindful and making smart additions to what you're already eating. Let's break it down. For most adults, aiming for about 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal is a fantastic target. This ensures you're consistently supplying your body with the building blocks it needs throughout the day, rather than trying to cram it all into one meal. So what does 30 grams of protein look like? For breakfast, instead of just toast or cereal, try adding 2 or 3 eggs. That's a great start. Or mix some Greek yogurt into your oatmeal. For lunch, instead of a plain salad, top it with a grilled chicken breast, a can of tuna, or a generous portion of chickpeas and lentils. For dinner, a nice fillet of salmon, a portion of lean steak, or a block of tofu can easily get you to your goal. And it's not just for meat eaters. There are so many amazing plant-based protein sources: lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, edamame, quinoa, and nuts are all fantastic options. The key is variety and consistency. Aim to have a solid protein source in every single meal. Think of it this way: protein isn't just for the gym, it's for life. It's the nutrient that helps you stay strong, energetic, and resilient at every age. It's for keeping up with your grandkids, enjoying your hobbies, and living your life to the fullest, without being held back. Making this one simple shift in your diet, prioritizing protein, could be one of the most effective anti-aging strategies you ever adopt. So I challenge you to take a look at your meals for the next few days. Are you getting a good source of protein with each one? If not, what's one small change you can make? Maybe it's adding eggs to your breakfast, or a scoop of lentils to your soup. Start there. It's a small step that can lead to a healthier, more vibrant future. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this gave you a new perspective on just how powerful protein can be. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.